addict is so desperate to finance his next fix, he's literally got an axe to grind. He charges into a mini-mart like a lumberjack. The hatchet man shoves customers aside, threatening to kill everyone unless he gets his loot. Chop chop. The patrons wisely give Paul Bunyan a wide berth. The thug makes off with the cream, but he's hardly out of the woods. Lo and behold, the shot of his license plate makes for an easy bust for aggravated battery. Of course, the charges would have been worse had he committed any acts of violence. Self-inflicted stupidity checks in at number 7. The drug tank. It's the last stop for most reckless boozers. But this bomb suspect refuses to accept his fate. Even with his hands cuffed behind him, he's determined to break out of his cage. But when he fishes a lighter out of his back pocket, the waste of it goes too far. In his alcohol-induced haze, the man actually tries to burn through his restraints. Only after his shirt catches fire does he realize maybe this wasn't such a great idea. One guard hears his cries and comes to his rescue. And another plays fireman. The officers are baffled at the man's stupidity. Why torch his way out of a cell only to end up in the emergency room? Then again, there's no sense asking these burning questions after this guy already gave himself the 3rd degree. Prove that there's no age limit on outrageous outlaws. And number 6. What kind of maniacs would rob a supermarket full of innocent families? The answer? Not so innocent children. And no one sees it coming. Certainly not the guard who's held at gunpoint by 2 teenagers. Or shoppers sent scattering by a pistol-waving punk. The boys' frenzied entrance may look silly, but nobody's laughing. Cashiers take the threat seriously, too. Although they can barely haul off the large register tills, these squirts just might pull the job off. But when a store detective gives chase, things take an even more extreme turn. The gang opens fire. People flee the hail of bullets. The marauders think they're home free. But all are soon apprehended. And after today's deadly game of cops and robbers, the judge won't be handling these punks with kid gloves. Don't stop now. It's down to the top 5. A pissed off driver picks the wrong dude to mess with.